but never our spirit. With this, a very decent morning to all. I am Saanvi Nair from Adani, Vidya, Mandir and a grade 8 day. And today, I will be sharing a story from the Colonial era, Whispers from the Sepoy. A story not just of chains and struggles, but of courage that refused to go. Let us journey back hundreds of years to a time when our land was known as Golden World. We were rich in spices, silk and cultures. Kings ruled and the world came to us as traders. Among them, in 1600, arrived the British. At first, they were small, asking only for trading rights. But they did not see people. They saw profits. Slowly, the politeness faded. They studied our rivalries like chessboards. And in 1757, the victory at Plassey was not a battle, it was a takeover. Suddenly, the traders were the masters and the soul of the golden bird was caught in their grip. Our farmers were ordered to plant indigo and opium, not food. Heavy taxes crushed villages. Our handlooms were silenced. Our textiles, the pride of India, were replaced by cheap machines. The roads, railways and telegraph lines they built were not for our progress, but to pump out their raw materials and soldiers' masters. Our wealth was gone, but more tragically, our dignity was stopped. Yet, even as they bound our bodies, they gave us the weapon that freed our minds, education. When Indians like Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Swami Vivekananda read about liberty and equality, they saw a demand for their own land. The anger of the suppressed boiled over in 1857, a revolt that failed but never died. From that seed grew Swadeshi, non-cooperation and the final cry of quiet India. And finally, on August 15, 1947, the sun set on that empire. The dawn broke on our sovereign nation. Freedom was not a gift for us. It was a soul we fought to retrieve. Friends, today that spirit lives in us. By standing for truth, respecting our roots, and using our freedom responsibly, the youth of this generation must carry the same fire, but not with swords, but with ideas, innovation and unity. Thank you and Jai Hind.